We all have gone out and bought some unnecessary gadgets that we really didn't need, just because they looked really cool. Then we got stuck with a pile of junk and ended up dumping it or trying to sell it. On the other hand, there are some pretty amazing technological inventions that are pretty useful. For example, many of the latest home appliances do some of the work for you, from setting your home thermostat to closing your front door, and if used as intended, these tools should really make your life a lot easier. In today's video, we will discuss 5 smart home gadgets that you will love. Make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And I guarantee you'll surely love this. Let's get started. Number 5, the bFan. Sleep while enjoying your bedroom at the perfect temperature with the bFan, air-cooled bed fan. The bFan directs the airflow so that the warm air is drawn away from your body and your bed. Instead, this fan replaces it with cold air, which cools the leaves. This method of air circulation helps combat temperature fluctuations and sweating while you sleep. The bFan stabilizes your temperature, helping you achieve a deeper and more relaxed sleep. Designed to work with beds from 19 to 36 inches in height, this unit has a height-adjustable design to accommodate a variety of beds. You can also place this unique fan anywhere on your bed, so you can find a convenient spot for yourself. Because you are less likely to use the air conditioner at night, this fan can help save you a lot of energy. Number 4, shower power. Keep your shower speaker charged with the Ampere Shower Power shower speaker. This practical bathroom appliance never runs out of battery, not when fed with running water from the shower. Just place this shower speaker over your shower head. The flowing water turns an internal wheel connected to a mini generator, causing energy. Therefore, it is a gadget that recharges as you use it. That way, your favorite song or cool podcast will never leave you in the middle of your shower. Furthermore, you can also expect surround sound from the speaker thanks to the sound wave diffuser, which sends the sound 360 degrees. Plus, available in black, white, or chrome, the Ampere Shower Power shower speaker looks great in any bathroom. Finally, made from 100% recycled marine plastic, this cool product is eco-friendly too. Number 3, the ultimate bed. The ultimate bed isn't just a bed, it's like a little complex in your bedroom. If there was a built-in toilet and microwave, you wouldn't see why someone would leave it. The ultimate bed has amazing features like built-in massage chair, a built-in music system, a built-in bookcase, a built-in safe to keep your valuables at your side while you sleep, and much more. Other features include a folding desk that you can set up to work directly in bed, a built-in reading light, an area to plug in and charge your devices while you sleep, a stool that opens for additional storage, and even a remote control to control the device. You can get the best bed in a version with a single or double mattress, with a side table, speakers, laptop support, safe, space for your books and CDs, and more. It's like having a cozy little house, your house. Number 2, Nobi Smart Lamp. The Nobi Smart Lamp provides peace of mind to people living alone and their families. This helpful gadget comes in the form of a lamp that uses AI to automatically detect falls. This way, you receive help more quickly in the event of an accident. It helps people age in place and live independently for longer. This smart home tech also provides 24/7 monitoring and works without batteries, so you never have to worry about maintaining it. Best of all, the Nobi Smart Lamp is easy to install. Simply replace your ceiling light with Nobi. You won't need any new cables. Finally, this smart home device also provides smart lighting, detects fire, monitors air quality, recognizes break-ins, and even understands living patterns. It's a pretty comprehensive device when it comes to care. Number 1, 360 Robot Vacuum Cleaner S10. Clean with the 360 S10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, which uses advanced autonomous AI navigation to find its way around. Moreover, it boasts triple-eye LiDAR that offer 360-degree 3D smart mapping with no blind spots, so it never collides with anything. And it can detect more than 100 types of obstacles, even as low as 1 centimeter. Additionally, measuring only 3.35 inches tall and using a hidden LiDAR sensor, it gets into tight spaces for thorough cleaning. It supports auto carpet detection, customized cleaning zones and times, no-go zones, multi-floor mapping, and automatic upgrades. You can even use Alexa, Google Assistant, Clova, and other voice assistants. Furthermore, it has 3,300 PA suction power, a speed of 27,000 RPM, and a large electric controlled water tank to vacuum and mop at the same time. Finally, this robot vacuum cleaner will keep your home super shiny and clean. And that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Sound off your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you within the next video.